I think the best part about adulting is the day you can finally take your parents on a trip with the money you weren't doing what you truly love.
Or honestly, I don't think there's any better feeling than this. So I am in Goa and I thought instead of just visiting places, why not to paint them too? I've been learning watercolors recently, इसीलिए अपनी sketchbook हर जगह carry कर रही हूँ and trying to paint as much as I can. I know I'm still learning, but I think that's the best part. I genuinely love traveling because every new place teaches me something. It opens my mind, makes me notice things differently, and somehow that's always reflects in my art. So let's see इस ट्रिप की कितनी मेमोरीज में स्केचबुक में पेंट कर पाती हूँ. I am here with my mom, and this whole trip is possible because of my art. The paintings, the commissions, the classes, live weddings, everything I've worked so hard for brought me here. And honestly, मुझे इस बात पे खुद पे बहुत प्राउड फील होता है. Not because I'm spending money, but because I'm spending it on the people I love और उन experience पर जो मैं हमेशा से करना चाहती हूँ. Beginning of this year, मैंने बस एक विश मांगी थी कि इस साल मैं हर महीने ट्रैवल कर पाऊँ. Not because I wanted to escape life, बस इसीलिए कि एक दिन ऐसा आए जब ट्रिप प्लान करने से पहले हर एक्सपेंस बार बार कैलकुलेट ना करना पड़े, जब बस बोल सकूं चलो चलते हैं. And somehow it happened. I didn't force it. I didn't wake up every day stressing about when it would happen. I just kept doing my work. I kept painting. I kept creating. और पता ही नहीं चला, life slowly started giving me exactly what I had wished for. Sometimes the moment you stop chasing every result and start enjoying the process, things start happening naturally. Maybe dreams don't come when we desperately want them. Maybe they come when we are finally ready for them. While sitting here and painting, I kept thinking about something else. Our parents. They are also living life for the first time. We often ask, why are they like this? उन्होंने मुझे ये सब क्यों नहीं सिखाया? वो हमें समझ क्यों नहीं पाए? लेकिन शायद उन्हें भी ये सब कभी किसी ने नहीं सिखाया. जो चीज़ उन्होंने खुद कभी नहीं सीखी, वो हमें कैसे सिखाते हैं? Yes, they made mistakes. And yes, sometimes those mistakes hurt us. But growing up has made me realize sometimes forgiveness begins with understanding. Understanding that they were figuring life out too. Just like we are. और शायद जितनी काइंडनेस हम उन्हें देते हैं उतनी खुद को भी देनी चाहिए. Forgive yourself for not knowing everything. Forgive yourself for making mistakes. Some lessons only time can teach, no matter how much someone explained them to you. I've also been learning watercolors lately, and strangely, they taught me to stop judging myself. Not every painting turns out the way I imagine. Some paintings surprise me, some disappoint me, but every single one teaches me something. Life feels exactly same. Today I'm standing here with my mom on a beach painting the ocean, and suddenly I realized years ago this was just a dream. Today I'm living it quietly, peacefully, and maybe that's the most beautiful feeling of all. I am feeling proud of myself that I brought both of us here just because of my art. Sitting by the ocean, enjoying the process of creating art, I am getting to know myself a little more. I am realizing how deep my thoughts, dreams, and desires really are. The ocean reminds me to accept every phase of life. The beautiful ones, the painful ones, even when it hurts so much that your body feels like it can't take it anymore, there's always something to learn, and somehow you keep moving forward. If this painting, this place, or even a single thought stayed with you after watching this, then this video found the right person. Thank you for spending few minutes with me. I hope you enjoyed my art as much as I enjoyed creating it. I'll be back with another art, another place, and another thought that's been living in my head. Until then, take care. Bye. See you in the next one.